Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and watching your debt grow every month? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with debt. But the good news is that there is a way out. Today, I'm going to share a simple plan that can help you pay off your debt faster and regain control of your finances. First, you need to know exactly how much you owe. Make a list of every debt you have, including credit cards, personal loans, car loans, and any other money you owe. Write down the balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment for each one. You can't solve a problem if you don't know its true size. Second, stop creating new debt. This is one of the most important steps. If you continue adding debt while trying to pay off existing balances, progress becomes much harder. Avoid unnecessary purchases, reduce impulse spending, and, if possible, stop using credit cards until your situation improves. Third, choose a debt repayment strategy. Many people use the Snowball Method, where you pay off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. This creates quick wins and helps build motivation. Others prefer the Avalanche Method, where they focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. This approach usually saves more money over time. Both methods can work. The best choice is the one you can consistently follow. Fourth, increase your monthly payments whenever possible. Paying only the minimum amount can keep you in debt for years. Look for ways to free up extra cash. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cut unnecessary expenses, or find additional sources of income. Even a small extra payment each month can significantly reduce the time it takes to become debt-free. Finally, build a small emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are one of the main reasons people fall deeper into debt. Having even $500 to $1,000 set aside can help you handle emergencies without relying on credit cards. Getting out of debt is not about being perfect. It's about making steady progress, one step at a time. Stay focused, follow your plan, and remember that every payment brings you closer to financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more personal finance tips and strategies to help you build a stronger financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, welcome back! If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Just click this red button below. Join our community for more great content. Thanks for watching.